Morning, dear students. Hope all of you are doing good, and I hope that you have finished your homework. Yes, yesterday I had given some homework. Please complete that along with the objectives. I hope you wrote the objectives as well. So we have done yesterday till page 35. Yes, till task C. Today I am giving you some of the homework from pages 36, 37 and 38. I'm not giving you the whole page. I have given you a picture. I'm sending you a picture in the video of only the pages or of only the tasks that you have to do for homework. Now, for example, page 36 also I have given you for homework, not all the tasks. I have mentioned the task in the video. Please have a look at the video, all of you. Then on page 37 also I have given you some tasks there. Just two tasks from page 37, and from page 38 also I have given you one task. Okay, so you don't have to do everything, just do whatever I am telling you to do in the video. So have a look at the video till the end. Do not give me any homework which I have not mentioned. Okay, so please do that, do your work correctly as far as possible. If you have any doubts, you can always call me, okay, or message me. Bye. So yesterday I gave you homework till task C. I hope you have done your homework. Please complete your homework one by one every day. Today we'll do task D on page 36. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. In the box you have words like lonely, little, hard, young, thoughtful, delicious, beautiful. You have these words, and this small paragraph here, you will fill up these words in this paragraph. Okay, you can do it in the book itself and send me a picture of the book. In task 2, D2, find the sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. This made Taro dash than ever. In brackets is given 3, so in paragraph 3 you will find the answer. Yes, so from page 36 you will do only D1 and D2. Yes, D1 and D2. Now that much only you will do from page 36. Okay. So now coming to page 37, task 2. Yes, I have given you only the question there in the picture. If you see, only that question you will do. Like Patrick in the story, who did Patrick's homework? Taro is helped by magic. Remember Patrick's homework? Who had come to help him? An elf. But unknowingly, it was Patrick who did all his homework himself, and he thought it was the elf doing his homework. So that also is a story about magic. So this story is also about magic. So like Patrick in the story, who did Patrick's homework? Taro is helped by magic. In this story, Taro is helped by the magic waterfall. So now what you have to write is, do you believe in magic? Yes, you can write answer, yes, I believe in magic, or no, I don't believe in magic, whatever answer you want to write. So what are the magical things that happen in these stories? These stories means in these two stories. What happens in the first story about who did Patrick's homework, and what happens in this story in Taro's reward? So what are the two magical things that happen? So there are two parts to this question. The first question is, do you believe in magic? Yes or no? And yes, but you write full sentence. And in the second part, what are the magical things that happen in these stories? In these stories means in these two stories, Patrick's homework and Taro's reward. So in Patrick's homework, the magical thing that happens is this. And in Taro's reward, the magical thing that happens is this. So on the same page 37, we have this task 2. In between, you will leave all those tasks. Whatever I am not sending you, you will not do, okay? So now coming to task 2 on page 37, write down working in groups. Now obviously we can't work in groups, come to an agreement on some of the activities given below. We cannot come to an agreement because we are not in school, we are not working in groups, we are working individually. So now you have to decide yourself. Okay, decide yourself. Decide which is the most interesting, dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding, most exciting. So these are some of the superlatives here. Now you have to decide. Cooking. You can, in your copy, you write cooking, give a dash, and which one of these is cooking? Is it most interesting? Is it dullest? Is it most dangerous? Is it safest? Is it most rewarding, most exciting? Which one of these is cooking? So write cooking in your copy and give a dash and choose one of these. Okay, what kind of adjective can you give to it? Then knitting. Knitting, you know, with wool, when we knit sweaters, we knit socks, we knit caps. So knitting, what kind of activity is it? Is it most interesting? Is it dullest? Very, very dull, very boring. Is it most dangerous? Do you risk your life by knitting? Is it safest? Is it most rewarding? Or is it most exciting? So you can write knitting, give a dash, and choose one of these superlatives. Okay? Then we have reading. How do you find reading? Is it interesting? Is it dull? Is it most dangerous? So give a dash and write. Playing football. Is it boring? Is it dullest? Is it most dangerous? Or is it most exciting? Which one of these? So all these words you will take one by one, give a dash and choose the correct superlative against this activity is given here. Cooking, knitting. Against this you will write each one superlative. Okay, so I have one more homework. So your next homework is on page 38, that is dictation. It is mentioned dictation, but since I cannot dictate, so you will write the answers yourself. Just find two rhyming words. You need to find two rhyming words. Words which rhyme with bed. Words which rhyme with bed. Words which rhyme with wax, fast, chop, young. Yes, you will write two words each. Like for example, for bed, what can be two rhyming words with bed? With bed, we can write lead, we can write shed. It can be 4 letters, 5 letters, 10 letters also it can be. Okay, it doesn't have to be 3 letters. It can be any number of letters. Just that the last portion should be a rhyming. Okay, so this is your task. This much is your homework. Know your country, that down below given there on page 38. You can read that and find the answers on page 40 just for reading. So this is all for your homework for today. Write your homework and submission date I shall mention now. Okay.